Limiting capacity, social distancing, wearing face masks. By now, we're all familiar with the rules that businesses in Arizona are supposed to follow if they want to stay open in the middle of this pandemic. But what is the state actually doing to businesses accused of ignoring the guidelines? Nearly 3 months ago, Varsity Tavern in Tempe was warned the state was looking to revoke its liquor license. This is the same bar accused of letting employees work after knowing they tested positive for COVID-19. Tonight, Varsity Tavern is back open, and as far as we can tell, they have faced literally no consequences. ABC 15's Mike Pelton is outside Varsity Tavern on Mill Avenue. And Mike, what's going on here?
Well, this bar is in a high-profile location right next to ASU, and today they're pushing back on the allegations. But despite warnings from the state its liquor license is in jeopardy, the bar is open. And even the Tempe vice mayor wonders if they'll be held accountable.
We have what is an outlier among bad actors, not only the city of Tempe, but the state of Arizona.
Tempe Vice Mayor Randy Keating, joined by the mayor and fellow council members, signing a letter to the Department of Liquor, supporting enforcement action against Varsity Tavern.
I would like to see something happen here, and I don't know what the holdup is, and I know that I'm sure they're doing a fair and thorough investigation, but there's been plenty of other places that have been acted on much quicker than what has happened here.
Go back to late June. Arizona's Department of Liquor announced it would seek to revoke Varsity Tavern's liquor license, saying investigators confirmed instances where managers required or permitted employees known to have tested positive for COVID-19 to continue working. The bar voluntarily closed, but not for good, able to reopen when public health benchmarks allowed, with a liquor license now showing as active.
They've said that they're looking at revoking their liquor license, and I do think that's an appropriate course of action given the severity of the situation.
The Department of Liquor has told us the investigation is ongoing. Meanwhile, the agency suspended licenses at other locations. Best we can tell, Varsity Tavern has not faced any enforcement from the state to this point. An ABC 15 staff member reached out to Varsity Tavern on social media for comment when they reopened at the end of August. Their response, "You were fake news. Print that." On Wednesday, one of the bar owners sent us a statement. In part, it reads, quote, "These allegations are completely unfounded, and it saddens us to be singled out in response to unproven, false, and unwarranted claims and accusations regarding our handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. We have always demanded that our employees not come into work if they are feeling symptomatic, and to be seen by a licensed medical practitioner under any such circumstance." This is the same bar that had its license suspended last year after a drunk guy fell from the second-story balcony. Before that, another suspension related to underage drinking.
There doesn't seem to be a culture there that is interested in following the law.
Now, today, the Department of Liquor did not answer our questions or meet our deadline for comment for this story. Meanwhile, it's Wing Wednesday at Varsity Tavern. We're along Mill Avenue tonight. Mike Pelton, ABC 15, Arizona.